We are pleased to show you the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, heated driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.